Imagine cruising down a scenic backroad, the wind in your hair, the sun setting on the horizon, and you're not in a car or a full-sized RV, but something entirely new, the 2026 Camper Tricycle RV. It's a revolution in compact, sustainable travel, blending the freedom of cycling with the comfort of home. This three-wheeled marvel is built for adventurers who crave simplicity without sacrificing the essentials of life on the road. The 2026 Camper Tricycle RV isn't just another concept, it's a working piece of engineering that has redefined what we think of when we hear the word camper. With its lightweight, aerodynamic frame and electric assist pedaling system, even long journeys feel effortless. Whether you're gliding through city streets or winding through forest trails, the trike adapts to the terrain and offers a smooth, stable ride. Inside, it's a space-saving masterpiece. Designers have packed in a convertible sleeping area, compact kitchenette, fold-away table, and even a mini solar-powered cooling system. The sleeping compartment unfolds from the rear, turning the trike into a cozy little nook perfect for one or two travelers. Think of it as a tent on wheels, but smarter and far more comfortable. Powering the camper trike is a hybrid system that combines pedal power with a rechargeable lithium battery, charged via integrated solar panels on the roof. That means you can ride all day and still have power at night to charge your devices, cook a warm meal, or relax with ambient lighting. Off-grid adventures have never been more accessible. Storage, often a concern for minimalistic travel, is cleverly addressed. The under-seat compartments and side pods provide room for essentials like clothes, tools, food, and water. For longer trips, optional cargo trailers can be attached without affecting balance or performance. It's built for the solo explorer, the weekend warrior, or even digital nomads looking to downsize and stay mobile. Safety features also haven't been overlooked. The trike comes equipped with a GPS navigation system, high-visibility lights, turn signals, and even an emergency beacon system in case you find yourself off the grid and in need of help. Its low center of gravity and wide stance ensure stability, while regenerative braking enhances control on steep descents. But beyond the tech and design, what makes the 2026 Camper Tricycle RV truly exciting is the lifestyle it supports. It's about slowing down, traveling at your own pace, and reconnecting with the world around you. You're not just passing through nature, you're immersed in it, feeling every curve of the road, hearing every bird, and breathing in the fresh air. So whether you're setting off on a weekend escape or planning a months-long cross-country ride, the 2026 Camper Tricycle RV offers freedom like never before. It's compact, eco-friendly, and packed with everything you need for the road ahead. The journey is calling, and now, you've got the perfect ride to answer it.